Hello guys, today I'll show you how to deploy your REST API to the any cloud-based hosting at totally free. So today I will host my API to the JSONbin. So let's create an API to host. So I'm creating a folder. This is demo folder, okay, and I will open this folder via VS Code. You can create API without using VS Code too. You can use Notepad, but I'll prefer VS Code. I'm using VS Code. So let's create a file here. This is demo.json. Okay, an array. So let's create API. This is an array. Enter an object, and let's import here. It's the first name, and this is age, and study. Okay, and you can add height, slide value. Okay, and mistakenly didn't use that, and this is, you can use avatar, and okay, and T I 511 study BBA accounting, and name probably Rama age 22. Okay, so let's increase the quantity of object. Okay, so I'll delete this. So this is our demo API. We will host this API to the JSONbin. So let's go to JSONbin website. So this is JSONbin. If you enter JSONbin and then you search, you will get the first link, jsonbin.io. So let's create. Okay, so let's log in first. Okay, I will prepare Google to log in. You can use GitHub. Okay, this email. Okay, I'm in my dashboard. So as you can see, let's create on beans. So let's create a beans. So basically this is in private mode. If you keep private mode and save your beans, you can retrieve your data from any place. So let's enter here, click here. So this is now public bin. You can retrieve data from this bin. Okay, so click on setting and enter a name so that you can find later. This is demo, and okay, so let's copy the JSON file. We have created this file and paste here by, you can use Ctrl V and you can paste by this manually, and this is yes. Okay, everything is okay. So let's save the bin. As you can see, this is bin ID, this is demo, the name, and created that. So you can copy bin URL. Okay, by copying bin URL, if you search here, you can get your bin. So it can be easily retrieved. Okay, so you can use it in your Manstack or front-end project. But you need JSON file. You have a lot of same things, so you can use this JSONbin. So actually I use this JSONbin for 2 years, so that's why I'm recommending you to use this cloud. Thank you.